What's up everyone, only a week left in our final stretch to the end of Inktober. If you made it this far, then you're a true rock star. In today's video, we're drawing Mr.Stitchy from Roblox Piggy. Now we're going to get started at the top of our page and draw a large circle for the head. So let's start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to curve out toward the left. Round up the side. Just bring that in towards the middle. I'm just going to work our way up along the right side. Going around. Up. And then we'll just bend that in towards the top. Now we're going to draw another circle along the bottom half of the head. So let's start right in the middle, drawing that circle. Going around. I'm just going to pull that up just up above the bottom of the head. And then bring that back up towards the top. Let's go to the top of the muzzle and draw an oval for the nose. So we start right in the middle, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's go out to the side and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side at the very top. Just going to go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye. And then back up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Coming around toward the inside. Round out the bottom. And then go back up towards the top. Let's add a thin trim around the inside of each eye. So starting on the left, we're going to step down. Leave an even spaced gap all the way around toward the bottom and back up towards the top. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw two small rings along the inside of the right eye. From the top we'll step down, again just leaving an even spaced gap all the way around. And we'll add a smaller circle right in the middle. Let's go up to the top and draw two circles tucked in behind the head. So we're going to line up with the left eye, step up towards the top, and draw in a half circle, going up, around, and then just pull that in along the side. Let's go over towards the right side, going up, rounding out the ear, and then pulling that in. Now we're going to go in and start adding some stitches. Let's start with the ones around the side of the nose. Starting on the left, curve out, and then down. Now we'll add a couple lines going across. Let's add one on the right side. Curving out and then down. And again, we're just going to add two lines going across. Let's add some stitches around the left eye. Starting from the bottom, go out and then down. Then we're going to add three lines going across. Now we're going to continue this curve along the inside of the eye, coming in. I'll add two along the inside. Let's go to the top of the right eye. We curve the stitch going up and then out towards the side of the head. And then we'll add three small stitches going out towards the side. Let's add one more on the outside of the right ear. Start from the side of the head, curve it out and then up. We'll add some stitches along the inside. Now that we've drawn the head, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, leaving a gap underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips. On the left side, come down in the middle, and then bend that up on the right. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up, and then down. Now leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe on both sides. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. I want to leave a gap on the inside. And do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then bending that down. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve out, and then pull this down on top of the foot. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We'll start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now the arm on the left is going to be holding a lantern, so let's start from the wrist and draw on the thumb. Curving in, and then back out with a small half circle, and it will overlap the handle. Stepping up, draw one line coming down, step over toward the left, and draw that twice. Let's connect the top of the lines with a curve, going up and then back down. Now when we move down, draw a straight line going across the bottom of the handle, come down along the side with a short line, and then we'll close this off. Let's connect the bottom corners with a circle, starting on the left, go out, down, up, and then back in. Let's go to the bottom of that circle, draw two short lines coming down. We'll connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Now we want to wrap the fingers around that handle, so let's start underneath the thumb, curve down and out in behind the handle, go to the outside, curve the finger going out and then up. Let's add two more fingers. We step down, curve down and then up, and then with the third finger we're going to go out, round up the arm, and then pull that up and in behind the head. Let's go to the right side. Starting from the wrist, draw a small half circle, and then at the end of the thumb we'll add a bracket. And we'll curl three fingers around the bottom. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and then up around that bracket, step down, go out and up with a second finger, and then the third finger we're going to go out, round up the arm, and we'll pull that up and in behind the head. And then one last thing we're going to do is add the sleeve. Let's start at the top of the thumb on the left, go out, and then bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Mr. Stitchy from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.